Once upon a time, there lived a king who loved his queen a lot and was planning to present a special gift to his queen. But he had no idea what to give her. So he takes the help of his minister.
Oh, I want to give a special gift to the queen. What should I give her?
Your Majesty, why don't you give her a necklace?
That's a very good idea. Okay. Go and get the best craftsman in this country.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, how can I help you?
Craftsman, I want you to make the best necklace of all time for my queen.
Yes, Your Majesty. Just give me some time. I will make the most beautiful necklace for the queen. Your Majesty, greetings. Here is the necklace you had ordered for the queen. I hope you like it.
Amazing! It is very beautiful. Thank you, craftsman. You did a wonderful job. My dear queen, here is a gift for you.
Oh, what a beautiful necklace, Your Majesty. Thank you so much. It's so precious. I'm so lucky.
I am glad that you have liked it. I had it specially crafted for you by the best craftsman in this country.
Oh, I have fallen in love with it. I shall treasure it all my life.
Every time I see you wearing it, I shall feel reassured of your love for me.
I will never let it out of my sight. Where is it? I remember keeping it on the dressing table last night. Where could it have gone? Maids? Guards? Anyone there?
What can I do for you, my grace?
Oh, I have misplaced my necklace. Please help me search for it.
Please do not worry at all, my grace. I am sure we will find your necklace very soon.
Yes, please don't panic, Your Grace. We will search the necklace for you.
Your grace, why didn't you wear another necklace today? You have so many of them.
No, I can't wear any other necklace. The emperor has given that particular necklace to me. It is very precious to him. I can't let him down. I have to find it. What should I do? Oh, Your Majesty!
What's wrong, dear? Who or what has caused your anguish?
I am so ashamed of myself, Your Majesty. I have let you down. I couldn't take care of the gift you gave me. The necklace is missing.
The necklace is missing? What do you mean it's missing? Have you searched for it properly? Are you sure you didn't drop it outside?
I remember taking it off last night and I haven't been outside after that. So it has to be somewhere in this room. But it's no longer here. I'm so ashamed of myself, Your Majesty. I have let you down. I couldn't take care of the gift you gave me. The necklace is missing.
Don't be silly. You don't have to fret so much for one necklace. I should give you many more. I promise you we shall find the necklace. Just relax here in my chamber tonight. Matter shall be resolved by tomorrow morning. Guard,
Yes, Your Majesty.
take a couple of guards with you and ask the queen's maids to search every nook and corner of the queen's chamber for the necklace. I want the necklace to be found.
As you wish, Your Majesty. Your Majesty?
Yes, where is the necklace? Give it to me.
Oh, I am so sorry, Your Majesty, but we have searched the chamber extensively. We could not find the necklace.
What? You couldn't find it? The queen kept the necklace on the table last night. How could it disappear?
Your Majesty, I think it may have been stolen.
Stolen? Who would dare steal from the queen? I have to put an end to this matter tonight. I don't want to see the queen upset till tomorrow morning. Send for Birbal urgently. He is the only one who can solve this mystery.
As you wish, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Birbal, you have to resolve a very urgent matter tonight. You have to find the queen's necklace.
Your Majesty, Queen's necklace?
The king explained the whole situation to Birbal.
I see. So that's what the problem is.
Birbal, my friend, you have to help resolve this issue tonight.
Your Majesty, please don't worry. Your Majesty, I'll have to bring my clever friend for consultation. I am sure he will find the real thief in no time.
Birbal was very sure that the queen's necklace had been stolen, as it hadn't turned up after 2-3 thorough searches for the queen's chamber by the guards and the maids. And that thief was among one of the guards or the maids at duty at the queen's chamber last night. And so he requested the king to please summon all the guards and the maids at the queen's chamber, and he left to bring his clever friend. All the guards and the maids assembled at the queen's chamber and were waiting for Birbal. An hour later, Birbal entered the queen's chamber with a donkey. Everyone was shocked.
Birbal, you said you were bringing a friend. Why are you bringing a donkey?
Your Majesty, this donkey is my friend and he has some truly magical power. He should help us in catching the thief in no time. Just give me some time.
Alright, but make it quick. I am very curious now. I really wonder how you can speak with your friend. But if your friend can identify the thief, let's not waste any more time. Please begin.
With your permission, Your Majesty.
Please do it fast.
Birbal took the donkey to one of the rooms, tied him up, and told the guards and the maids to go into that room one by one, hold the tail of the donkey and say, "I didn't steal the queen's necklace," and come out. Once they were done, Birbal went in and spoke with his friend. All of them did exactly what Birbal had told them to do, but one guard did not do so.
Your Majesty, please allow me to go and speak with my friend.
Birbal went in and spoke with his friend and came out and told the king that he has to examine the guards and the maids.
Your Majesty, this is the thief.
Are you sure, Birbal? How can you say that's him?
Your
Your
Majesty,
Majesty, I have served you for so long. I am not really a thief. This donkey's testimony is no proof. How can Birbal talk in a donkey's language?
Yes, how can you be so sure that he is the thief?
Your Majesty, I had applied some perfume to the donkey's tail. That's why I asked them to hold the donkey's tail and speak. But this guard hesitated to do so. In his fear of getting caught, he didn't touch the donkey's tail. Your Majesty, this donkey belongs to my waterman and he has no magical power at all.
You have betrayed my trust, soldier. How you dare steal from the palace? You have brought disgrace to the entire fraternity.
Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I had gone blind with greed. Please forgive me. I shall return all my stolen property. Please give me one more chance.
You can never be trusted again, and you cannot be forgiven. Guards, throw this man into the prison and confiscate all the stolen goods. I apologize to all of you for having suspected you. Please carry on with your duties.
The king thanked Birbal and this magical donkey for solving this matter.